Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Please feel free to be a part of this platform. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking
okra soup.
a delicious,
no nuts added.
simple
Last time I cooked okra soup, I added some nuts or bono. But
let's get
own,
started.
I will be cooking only okra. All right, so we are going to cut the okra. Already I have washed it, then I'm going to cut it, and we are going to make a delicious simple okra soup. Let's get started. So we are going to remove, see, the hair. This one is tough, okay? I'm going to remove it. So we are going to use a frozen fish. Is grilled. Okay. The taste changes when it is grilled or smoked. All right. So I So we are also using cow skin. I've been cooking it for a while because it's fresh. Okay, so I'm going to continue cooking it, but don't overcook it. I'm gonna add some water. Gonna add onions. Red oil, some seasoning. So we're going to cover the pot and let it boil. Okay, I'm going to grind our pepper, add some salt. So here we have our crayfish. In every Nigerian soup, you must add crayfish. You must add crayfish. It's a secret ingredient. So at this point, I'm gonna add washed fish, washed fish chunks, crayfish, let's put the smoked fish. Allow it to simmer, then we add the okra. Okay, very simple. It's not like the one you add nuts or bone. It's very simple to make and it tastes super delicious. Allow it to boil. So I'm going to add uziza. It's a spice, hot spice. It's good for this recipe. So now I'm going to cover the pot. So now I'm going to add, look at our beautiful soup. I'm going to add okra. Today we are preparing okra vegetable soup. In this recipe, you don't need ogbono, just okra. Okay. I made a video where I cooked ogbono and okra. I'm going to watch that video. So I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for a while before we add the vegetable. Our soup is delicious. So here I have a shrimp. It's cooked. That is why I'm adding it now. Let's cover it and let the vegetable wilt, then we mix it properly. All right, let's mix our soup properly. Allow the vegetable to cook a little, then we dish our food. Yes, so the soup is ready. It's ready now. You don't overcook your vegetable. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. So it's time to dish it out. So our soup is ready, and as you can see, it looks delicious. It's inviting. So we have our fufu. This is a wheat. Okay, that's why it's brown. This is wheat. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. So look at the beautiful soup that we made today. Today we made okra vegetable soup, no ogbono added, with seafood, shrimp, fish, frozen fish, and the taste is amazing. We've come to the end of this video. Please share this video. If you want to learn how to cook Nigerian food, other food, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you once again in the next video. Bye, and God bless you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyenye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Please feel free to be a part of this platform. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking a delicious, simple okra soup. Let's get started.